Hey brewers, Paul here, and today we're gonna see if I can figure out a way to clean all 4 of these beer lines at once using a pump that we sell usually in our keg line cleaning kit. But for like the past 8 years, I've always done 1 line at a time. It takes a lot of time when you have 4 taps on your kegerator. So this may or may not work. We're gonna find out in this video. I think with the pump in our bucket of cleaning solution, I can hook that up to tap number 1, okay? And then on tap number 1's ball lock disconnect, I am going to put this jumper. So this is a ball lock jumper, and I don't know if you can see, there's a piece of metal in there, and that will push in the pin required to let the liquid pass through. We're gonna go in through number 1, jumper to number 2. Got number 2 here. Okay, so then we're going through 1, up 2, into 3, and then 3 we will jumper to 4, and then 4 will recirculate back into the bucket. I hope that makes sense. I think it makes sense. I need to go get 1 more jumper, and then we can test this out. Okay, so beauty of shooting these videos in the homebrew shop, when you need stuff, it's around the corner. Because again, I'm just doing this on the fly. So what did I say? So we're going in at 3, we need to jumper 3 to 4. That's the last ones left. 3 to 4. And then 4 into the bucket, I think. Okay. Couple of caveats here. I tried quickly hooking this up earlier and I had a chrome faucet, and the tubing I had, which is 5/8 inner diameter, was too small. So I usually run inner tap or Nuka tap faucets or Perlick on all my stuff. So that's just something to take into account. If you don't have inner tap or Perlick or whatever faucets, you may need bigger tubing, or this might not work at all. The other thing I did is I could have just did some tubing to tap number 1 that I'm going in, but I decided to instead install a ball lock disconnect. So the nice thing with inner tap and Nuka tap faucets, they have interchangeable spouts. You could put a stout spout, you could put a ball lock, whatever you'd like. So that's there. Our pump is sitting in a pail of solution. I'm gonna hook that up to tap number 1, open up all these faucets. Hopefully not make a mess. I'm not 100% sure I can do that yet. We'll plug it in and see what happens. So just quick recap. Pump in cleaning solution up to tap number 1. Tap number 1 is connected to tap number 2. Tap number 2 connected to tap number 3. And then tap number 3 connected to tap number 4. I have some 5/8 tubing in between tap number 2 and 3, and then some tubing from tap number 4 back into the bucket. So that way it'll go through everything back into the bucket. We can just plug this in and walk away and have a beer or 2. So let's see if it works. The plug's bent. This is not starting well. Okay. So, nothing's happening. Let's see here. All our taps are open. Is it this? Okay, something's happening. Okay, first of all, let's see if this is... Okay, so that part is working. Okay, we're troubleshooting as we go here. So tap 1 into tap 2. Are we getting our cleaning solution coming out of tap number 1? Yes. I think there might just be an airlock somewhere in here. So now we put that to tap number 2. That's not working. Tap 2 goes to 3. It could also be that this pump is not strong enough. Okay, let's troubleshoot some more. Wait. 3 to 4. Let's leave this on here. Oh, okay. Okay, so I do think there was an airlock somewhere. So maybe next time I should hook up one at a time. If there is a next time. Might also just need a stronger pump. And now the final piece. Right now it is working. It is going through 3 taps. Can it do 4 taps? Come on. It's getting there. I want to see how much flow is coming through it. Nothing's happening. Stuff's happening. Nothing's happening. Okay. So you gotta put that in the middle. Okay, so it is working. You just need a stronger pump or to do less taps at once. I mean, in theory, this is getting the lines. I don't know how much of the tap is getting clean because there's not that much coming out, but it does work. My lines are clean. So what I would do is hook it back up. Back on first, our hose clamp. Okay. And yeah, we're getting just a trickle. It could for sure clean 3 taps at once. It's just that 4th one. Probably need a stronger pump than what I'm using here. This is just the basic one that we usually use for cleaning 1 tap at a time. But it does work, which is cool. Now that I'm thinking about this, we sell a vintage shop like hand pump. Let's try that. Why not? We're already here, right? All right, so we have our hand pump. We'll just disconnect the electric pump, connect the hand pump, make sure that everything is still going where it's supposed to go. I wonder if I could even build up a bit of pressure in here first. You know, we've sold a lot of these things. It's the first time I've used one. All right, open that up. There, yeah, you're getting way better flow out of that. So the only thing to keep in mind with this one is it's not going back into the cleaner. So you will need a separate pail like I have set up here. And once the liquid goes through, it's not gonna go back in here. So you'd have to dump it back in or something. Yeah, that works. Sweet. So electric pump or one of these guys, you can clean multiple beer lines at once. Maybe not the prettiest setup, a bit of a pain in the ass, but I'd rather set this up, you know, once every couple of months than having to do every single individual line one at a time. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. This video is kind of like right off the cuff, so if I miss something or you don't understand something, just ask. I'll try to answer all of you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.